When people hear the phrase increase your property value, they usually think about expensive home renovations. Maybe it's remodeling the kitchen, adding another bedroom, or completely redoing the landscaping. While all those projects can certainly improve a property, they are also some of the most expensive and time-consuming upgrades you can do to your home. But what if there was a way to add value, not just in dollars, but in how you actually use and enjoy your property every single day? Today we're talking about how a portable building can become one of the smartest investments you make for your home. Whether you're looking for more storage, a dedicated workspace, or simply a more functional property, we'll explore how the right portable building can pay dividends long before you ever think about selling. Before we jump into the specific benefits, let's clear up some common misconceptions. When people talk about increasing property value, they're often only thinking about resale value. But there is another kind of value that is just as important: functional value. Ask yourself this: how much is it worth to finally park both vehicles inside your garage again? How much is it worth to stop tripping over lawn equipment every weekend? How valuable would it be to have a dedicated workshop instead of using the dining room table? Those improvements affect the quality of life every day. While the impact that a portable building has on a home's appraised values varies depending on your local market, location, and regulations, there's no questions that adding organized, usable space makes a property more appealing and functional. And for many buyers, that's exactly what they're looking for. If you've ever looked at real estate listings, you've probably noticed that storage is almost always highlighted. Large closets, extra garage space, walk-in pantries, basements. People simply want room for their belongings. The problem is that homes rarely get bigger, but families usually collect more things over time. Lawnmowers, pressure washers, bicycles, holiday decor, camping gear, gardening supplies, outdoor furniture. Eventually, something has to give. That's where a portable building becomes incredibly valuable. Instead of piling everything into the garage or the spare bedroom, you can create dedicated storage space that is organized, accessible to separate from your everyday living space. Organized property immediately feels larger, and the first impressions matter. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for another 20 years or eventually put it on the market, having a clean, organized property creates a much stronger impression than the one overflowing with clutter. One of the biggest advantages of the portable building is that it doesn't have to serve only one purpose. In fact, that's one of the biggest reasons so many homeowners choose one. Today's storage building could become tomorrow's workshop. That workshop could later become a home office. Maybe someday it becomes a hobby room, a fitness studio, an art space, or even a guest cabin, depending on local regulations on how it's finished. The flexibility is what makes buildings so appealing. Think about how many people work remotely. 5 years ago, many homeowners never imagined needing a dedicated office. Today, it's one of the most requested spaces inside a home. Having a separate building gives you options that create value. Let's compare two different ways to gain additional space. Option 1, build a traditional room add-on. That often involves permits, architects, concrete work, framing, electrical, HVAC, roofing, painting, weeks or months of construction, and very significant investment. Option 2, add a portable building that's delivered and installed much faster with far less disruptions to your property. Now, every homeowner situation is different, and there are certainly times when a permanent addition makes sense. But if your primary goal is increasing more usable space, a portable building can accomplish that goal at a fraction of the cost with much shorter timeline. It's one of the reasons they're becoming increasingly popular among homeowners looking for practical solutions instead of major renovations. When some people hear the word storage shed, they picture a plain building tucked away in the backyard. Portable buildings have come a long way. Today you can choose different roof styles, different siding options, custom paint colors, window packages, door configurations, decorative shutters, porches, lofts, electrical packages, and many other upgrades. The result is a building that doesn't feel separate from your home, it complements it. When your portable building matches the style and color of your house, it becomes a part of the property's overall aesthetics instead of looking like an afterthought. That's an important detail because curb appeal isn't just about the front of your home. It's about creating a property that feels intentional from every angle. Another advantage that often gets overlooked is convenience. Traditional construction projects can stretch for months. Portable buildings offer a simpler process. If you are purchasing an inventory building that's already available, delivery can happen within approximately 10 business days depending on scheduling and availability. If you are designing a custom building with your own colors, layouts, upgrades, the process naturally takes longer. Most custom orders are typically completed within 6 to 8 weeks, although timing can vary depending on production schedules and inventory at your location. Once your building is complete, professional delivery drivers handle the placement, allowing you to begin using your new storage space much sooner than traditional construction. For many homeowners, that is simply one of the biggest advantages. Perhaps the biggest reason a portable building can increase the value of your property is because you're investing in possibilities. Needs change, families grow, children move out, hobbies evolve, businesses start, people begin working from home. Instead of locking yourself into one specific use, a portable building gives you a space that you can adapt as life changes. That's something very few home improvements can offer. Maybe today it's storing your lawn equipment. 5 years from now it could be a woodworking shop. 10 years from now it could become your grandkids' playhouse. The building changes with you, and that's where real long-term value comes from. At the end of the day, increasing your property value isn't always about spending the most money. It's about making smart improvements that solve real problems. Creating more storage, adding functional space, improving organization, enhancing curb appeal, giving yourself room to work and create and grow. A portable building checks all those boxes while offering flexibility that few other home improvements can match. If you've been thinking about adding extra space to your property, take some time, explore different building sizes, styles, and endless customization options. Whether you're looking for a simple storage building, a workshop, a home office, or something completely unique, the right portable building can help you get more from your property you already own. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for videos covering portable building, buying guides, property improvement ideas, and everything you need to make the most of your outdoor space. And as always, you get more with StorMor.